Down your ladies and gentlemen, the fabulous Somerset